This is one out of 20%, and I'm here today just to give you a little bit of the review of my daily trade. Today is the 11th of November, it's a Monday. As you can see, my profit for the day was only $48, something small. I didn't intend to stay into the market for too long, so this morning I've made my hypothesis for the day, and I noticed that last Friday the market closed within this value area. So I was expecting so today, if the market open up above the 60.33 price, I would take long positions. Otherwise, if the market was trading below of this price, I would take short positions. So as you can see, I didn't take many positions. I only took like 3 positions. So I tried to take a short position, a long position over here, but unfortunately the market didn't go up, so it was a fail to rotate. So I bail out. I just flattened my position and decide the market just go. So as you can see, the market opened around here 9:30. So prior the market opening, we could see that the market, the buyers, they tried to reach higher levels. So they reached up to 60.52, but unfortunately they couldn't go any more further. So the sellers, they definitely start getting to the market and they decide to take prices down. So as the market opened, there was a little bit of rotation around here, where buyers and sellers were disputing the right price to trade. And as we can see, the buyers, they couldn't go back to the same level, well, the same band where they was. So the sellers took over and they simply decide to drive the mark all the way down. I was waiting over here for the break, so they broke. But I was a little bit complacent because I wasn't sure if the market would carry on rotating towards the other side of the value area, or if the market would just get stopped around somewhere around here and then drive all the way back up. So I've waited for the buyers to break the 60.33. As soon they did, I didn't took my long position straight away, so I've waited a little bit to see a little bit of movement. There was a lot of interest, as we can see in a cumulative delta. There was a little bit of um, uh, buyers coming to the market, so there was a little bit of interest. So I decided to take my first position, my first long over here. So I took, and I've made roughly $22. And then as the market carried on going further, so I've waited a little bit more to just to make sure there was no pullbacks or anything, and I entered another long position and I took my profit. So the 48.75 for the day. It was more than I needed, because I'm just doing a new plan with my account. That's a new plan for me. But I will give you a better insight and a little bit of more details about what I'm doing right now in the next video. So I will upload a video probably in a few days, just to give you a better understanding of my tools, of my environment, just for you to understand what sort of tools and what sort of strategies I use to trade. But yeah, so yeah, today that was a positive day. You can see last Friday as well, I've made a few trades, lost a little bit, won, but I've made enough to keep going. So today, Monday, was a very good trade, and yeah, so I appreciate everyone to watch the video. If you have any inquiries or anything they would like to ask me, just comment on the section below. On the description will be a couple of information about the material that I use to trade, my tools and everything else that you need. So I really appreciate for your time, guys. Thank you.